Good morning and welcome to day 2. Yesterday we did get some great progress on the car. Engine went out, we put all the new stuff in it, we did a lot of things, and today is just putting it back in and then it's basically done, hopefully. Then I also need a remap and then I'm ready for the roads again.
Well, here we are back on the hot muggy street of New York.
Engine. Here is the old engine right there, and that's the new engine behind it and the car. Now to the process of putting the engine back in the car. What we did was we marked the EO pallets on the ground when we removed the engine, and also on the top of the EO pallet at the gearbox mounts and the front of the engine. And then we spread some lubrication on the rear gearbox mount to see where it lands on the gearbox mount on the gearbox, and we then just lower the car down to the engine. That's it. Den är långt ifrån.
Ja?
Den är väl långt ifrån, eller? Nu, det blir som att det blir lite snedare. Vi ser den komma. Det är fan bra här. Men det kan vi justera. Det har vi lite wiggle på. Men det är inte så långt ifrån, fan. Vi vågar inte röra den. Va?
Vad ska få ner motorn?
Det är någonstans det är lagom, som jag säger. Ja, just det, den också.
Måste längre in. Putta in den mer. Nu börjar någonstans på det.
Men vänta. Och nu är det ju... Den klirrar där. Sen kan vi justera lite.
Vi sänker oss för att dra ut den lite.
Messi. Längre fram. Men det är ungefär i mitten då.
get out of here.
Merci.
You have to put your hand 45 Newton meters inside the hole.
45 Newtonmeter.
Messi.
Ska jag bara hålla eller?
Jag är beredd.
Har du hållit eller?
Nej, med sol. Stopp. Är du emot?
Everything looking good? Oh! So close, so close. Oh my god, finally.
In med batteriet.
Ja, kör man ju luftledning på matchen.
Han är en Jeep är han. SUV mode. First time he's on a 4-wheel with this engine. We're only
Putta ut en bit.
got the first start up. Mekanikern är glad va? Vänta babe, vänta! Öppna huven. One. Nej. Du vet hur man snurrar på nyckeln va? Eller vänta. Nyckeln. Låt det gå. Ja? Den låter så. Hur stark kan magen till att få med? Varför går det så ojämnt? Varför går det så ojämnt? Så den måste anpassa sig och grejer då?
Den måste lära sig i ändlägena. Så är full gås.
För just nu, det låter ju så därför den misständ för den för mycket luft.
Inte, han har,
eller inte misständ men alltså, ja, exakt. Ja.
Det går inte att radera felkåren, men det är ju...
Kan man ta bort... Tysk ingenjörskonst! I believe in you Mercedes, I believe in you!
Inte nu, ingenting.
Funkar nu så. Oh, engine miscode. Put car into tree. Or put car on, park car and burn it down.
Efter de här 3 minuterna nu,
Gasen funkar inte.
Fortfarande ESP så nu är det inte 100% rätt.
So right at that moment I really did not know what was the problem with the car. I thought something was really horribly wrong. And I was so angry and so pissed and so tired. I've been working on this car for 2 days. We changed everything. So we went through everything. Everything seems fine. So what we did, we called it a day. We pushed the car in back into the workshop. And I left there a broken man after 20 plus hours of working that car. Next morning I woke up and I googled around some and I found actually the answer on Eurochart's website. Because of the larger throttle body, you have to change the pins on the throttle body, and we did that and the car worked fantastically great. So the day after I went back to his workshop and we test drove it actually for the first time, as you can see in this video right there. And I was so happy, by the way. I was so happy because I finally did it. I finally finished this car. This is actually 2 weeks later right now and the car works perfectly. Now this is the first time I'm gonna drive the car after engine replacement. I still need a tune, but other than that everything is on. Let's see how it works. I need gearbox oil as well. So we'll take it really carefully. My wife is really scared I'm gonna accelerate. We're just filling it out a little bit. Engine temperature is good. Oh my god, this is what I've been waiting for. This is why I spent my money that I work with. Oh my god. It works perfect. Shift is smooth, no vibrations. Clean the brakes out a little bit. They work. I think we still got... The smoke is basically gone from the exhaust, which is good. That's pretty much it. Now back to the workshop and wait for a tune basically. I cannot push it before I remap it. I don't have the balls to do that. I did a jerk right here. I think it engages the clutch pulley, but it's in the computer I think. It seems okay. Engine temp is still good. I'm gonna plug in the computer after this one to see if we got any error messages as well. As of now, everything seems okay. There's quite a lot of smoke in the rear though. I guess the catalytic converter is getting hot. It's a lot of smoke right now. I'm gonna ask my mechanic if it's normal. But it did not smoke in the beginning, but now it's starting to smoke. I think it's just the oil. It must be the oil. Oh my god, it's such a nice car. So I'm sitting here editing the video. So that was that. We finally finished that car. Such a fucking nice feeling getting that car done. And I hope you liked the video. I hope if you're changing your engine in your car, this video helped. If you have any questions on how we did it or any other questions, just put it in the comment below or PM me. I will try to answer as many questions as I can. And I hope you really enjoyed those videos. More videos to come on this car and more adventures also to come here on Out Cornered. So stay tuned for that. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment what you think of the car and the video, and of course don't forget to subscribe. You have to subscribe. So that's pretty much it. Have a nice day, night, weekend, Monday, whatever. Peace.